All right, hi Kirsten, just got a couple questions for you. How long have you been training with us?
I have been training with you guys for just a little over 3 years.
Wow. What do you like most? What keeps bringing you back?
I have lost about 50 pounds, and I started here and I had back pain, hip pain, shoulder pain, and I couldn't do the things I wanted to do anymore without pain. And after coming here, I have none of that anymore. I can ski, I can ride a bike, and I feel terrific.
That is awesome. What would you say to someone looking for a facility to train in?
I think it's really important here that we have a trainer who knows the movements and makes sure we don't get hurt. And if we need to modify the movements, then they know what to do. That's been really important for me and kept me from being hurt again.